To troubleshoot Uniswap pool fees. Start by understanding what they are and how they are calculated. Uniswap pool fees are a percentage of the trading volume that liquidity providers earn for providing liquidity to the pool. The fees are typically set at 0.3% for most pools, but can vary depending on the specific pool and the assets being traded. First, identify the pool you are having issues with and check the current fee percentage. You can do this by looking at the pool's information on the Uniswap interface or by using a blockchain explorer to view the pool's smart contract. Make sure you are looking at the correct pool, as fees can vary between different pools and assets. Next, calculate the expected fee revenue based on the pool's trading volume and fee percentage. This will give you a baseline to compare against the actual fee revenue you are earning. You can use historical trading data to estimate the average daily trading volume and calculate the expected fee revenue. Now, compare the expected fee revenue to the actual fee revenue you are earning. If there is a discrepancy, it may indicate an issue with the pool or your liquidity provision. Check the pool's liquidity and trading volume to ensure it is active and has sufficient liquidity. Also, verify that your liquidity provision is correctly configured and that you are not experiencing any issues with your wallet or connection to the Ethereum network. Another common issue is impermanent loss, which can affect the value of your liquidity provision and subsequently impact your fee revenue. Impermanent loss occurs when the value of the assets in the pool changes, causing a loss in value for the liquidity provider. To mitigate impermanent loss, consider using a stablecoin or a highly liquid asset as one of the pool's assets. Finally, consider the gas costs associated with providing liquidity to the pool. Gas costs can eat into your fee revenue, especially during periods of high network congestion. To minimize gas costs, consider using a gas-efficient wallet or a liquidity provision platform that optimizes gas costs. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can troubleshoot Uniswap pool fees and optimize your liquidity provision to maximize your earnings. Remember to stay informed about changes to the Uniswap protocol and market conditions, and adjust your strategy accordingly to ensure you are earning the most from your liquidity provision.